Upgrade your home security with the new 4K 8MP POE IP camera, crystal clear protection day and night. Looking for a professional, durable, and ultra-clear security solution? The new 4K 8MP IP Audio Outdoor POE H.265 Onvif Metal Bullet CCTV camera is the perfect choice for your home, office, or business. Sparkle's key features: 4K/8MP Ultra HD resolution, capture every detail with lifelike clarity. Color night vision, enjoy full-color images even in complete darkness. Built-in audio, two-way communication for real-time monitoring and talking. H.265 video compression, save up to 50% more storage and bandwidth than H.264. POE support, easy installation with just one cable for power plus data. Weatherproof metal housing, IP66, reliable performance in rain, sun, or snow. Onvif compatibility, works with most NVRs and security systems. With its sleek bullet design and advanced technology, this camera is not just a security device, it's peace of mind 24/7. Don't compromise your safety, get the 4K 8MP IP camera today and protect what matters most. Buy now, view product on AliExpress at product link in the video description. Product sell points. IP67 waterproof metal housing, durable metal casing withstands extreme weather, ideal for outdoor use. Surveillance outdoor camera, Verizon outdoor security camera, high-resolution 8MP 4K video, capture every detail with 8MP 4K resolution, ensuring clear footage for comprehensive surveillance. Advanced H.265 video compression, H.265 compression reduces file sizes by 40 to 50%, saving storage space and costs. Smart IR Cut full color night vision, seamless transition between day and night with full color night vision up to 50 meters. AI motion detection with smart alerts, receive instant alerts via email or FTP when motion is detected, enhancing security. Specifications, lens options, 6mm and 3.6mm and 2.8mm shell material, metal. Installation, embedded, wall-mounted, ceiling, vertical pole mount, pendant mount, corner mount, normal. Video compression format, H.265 and H.264. Alarm action, email photo, FTP photo, local alarm. Color night vision, yes. Power supply, DC 12V, not included power supply. Storage, none. Optional POE, 48V. Viewing angle, 130 degrees. AI functions, motion detection. Connectivity, IP/network wired. Housing material, aluminum alloy metal. Minimum illumination, 0.001 lux f1.2. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.